I don't know what I was thinking. 8 bar soap at once, but I think that this is going to last me for a long time.
That's the one. Didi, I mean, that's pretty cool. Into project and operational money. That's what I feel.
And you know, as a Gen Z that I am, I'm like, why is that a lot of Gen Zs don't know about Surya Natural?
Here for Surya Naturals.
Content creator. I'm gonna say lifestyle photographer. This is Hi everyone, I'm Tifilayo. I am a content creator. Let me know the next Hi everyone, Victoria.
That's the one. Didi, I mean, that's pretty cool. Into project and operational money. That's what I feel.
I'm the content creator and photographer.
Welcome to Alali.
Okay.
So Alali is a Kalabari word. It means celebration. So yay! So Alali was basically created. You know, like when you go to places on the island and you're looking for somewhere to celebrate a birthday or something, people are just throwing out like, oh, 1 million, oh, 2, 3. Like, oh, you're supposed to have a space where you can come celebrate and actually have it be not as expensive, but you get the full value of what you wanted. That's why the space is created. Oh, one more thing. So Alali is our studio space, but we're also, our parent company is Sip and Paint.ng, so that's what we do. So we, besides this space, we do have 42 different locations in Lagos and Abuja, ranging from VI, Lekki, Koi, Kate, all the way down to Lakoe. And then we have mainland Ikeja as well, and then Abuja. So, yay, bye!
Thank you, Daddy. So, so basically, right, Surya Naturals has been in existence for 10 years. Wow. These achievements. So let's start something called where we have young, vibrant souls that just keen towards prayer is all about. And it's nice to meet you all because we are starting like a force with the skincare industry, right? Yes. So yes, Surya Natural has been in existence the past 10 years. And you've gone from making body butters, body oils to African black soap to refill products to fragrance like Canada has been next year. That you use, yes, you This is
Oh, it's nice. Just bring your voice. Oh, wow, you're so free. Nice, thank you. What fragrance is this? What's the way down? Aloe vera. Hello, of you. Hi guys, how are you doing? It's been a minute. I ordered a few things online. Some were my skincare products from Singapore and the others are home essentials from another vendor online. So in fact I've started unboxing one already and I said, oh, I think I should do this for you too. So let's get right into it. They are right behind me. So first things first, I want to unbox the products I got from Singapore. Some are skincare stock and some I'm trying them for the first time. So the first one I have here is the Dove Pampering Bar Soap, and then I have the Dove Refreshing Bar Soap. So this is the first time try and this is definitely a restock. I don't know what I was thinking, 8 bar soap at once, but I think that this is going to last me for a long time. So I got the Dove Brightening Facial Cleansing Mousse. So this is the first time try. I saw a couple of reviews about this online, so this is the first time try. Let's see how the product performs. Then I got the Dove Pampering Body Wash. This is a restock. It's not a first time try, so here you go. Then I got the Vitamin C Body Wash and the Retinol Body Wash. I spoke about this in one of my YouTube videos and I love it so much. I don't think I'm going to stop using this anytime soon. Another product I think I want to try is the Naturium. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but for now this is what I use. So this is a restock. So these are definitely restocks. Aqua Toner and Aqua Sunscreen, they are restock, and I've been using Aqua for quite some time, and you know, Aqua, this is like my third bottle, so this is definitely a restock and so far is doing the job. So lastly, I got the Everclear refill. I currently have the bottle, so I decided to go for the refill this time to save some coins. So that's it on skincare products. So the first one, the second bag, I've even unboxed it already, but let me just show you guys. So the first thing I got here is, I've been trying to, you know, eat healthy lately. I mean, for those that have been following my journey. So I got this basmati rice, the jollof one, from this second Instagram vendor. Okay, for this second box, this is how the package came. I already opened it, but let's see what's inside. I already opened it by the way too though. So this is it's supposed to be a decorative piece where you can arrange, you know, fresh flowers, fake flowers. I really like it. I like the fact that, you know, it has these things by the side. So but when I got this, I was thinking it's like clear, like clear, but looking at it now, I'm seeing it like it's looking purple, it's looking pink, but at the same time I like it. So I think that it's a box. I already know what is inside, but I think that there's an item that is missing because I ordered a comforter from her as well and I'm not seeing it, so I want to believe that it's packaged inside this box. I've been wanting like a hand luggage kind of suitcase, so I ordered this. So I can't really understand why it's in a carton, but I want to believe it's so that it can travel safe to me, because I want to believe that, you know what our riders do on the road with, you know, luggage is to avoid stories that touch. So I want to believe that's one of the reasons why it's wrapped in a carton. So I'm gonna bring it out now. So this is what it looks like, wheel away, and then I don't know why this is it. I mean, like I said, it's supposed to be brand new. So it's from itluggage.com. I really like it, and it looks really sturdy. It can definitely pass for a hand luggage. So I think these are the legs of the box. Okay. Let me try to see if I can fix the legs. I love black suitcases. I love black. Okay, so this is supposed to be okay, it's designed in the UK. So let me try and see if I can fix the legs. I really hope I can fix this. I really hope. It's so simple, so easy. I think I have to press this down, wear it, and then to come out. Oh, it's on both sides. Nice. So we're good to go. That's it. Just exactly what I want. Off I go.
Colombiana cuando baila, promete,
What is this?
me desarma y al segundo se le cambia la mirada. Me dijiste sí en la esquina del parque, a la hora ya era, tal vez en la noche fue, nunca en la vida y al amanecer. ¿Dónde estás? Ven otra vez. Caderas que mandan más que la boca, una risa que enreda mi fe. Hoy me quiere, mañana pregunta, pasado mañana ni sabe quién es. Mujer de Colombia, fuego que nunca acierta. Hoy abre la puerta, mañana la cierra. Me dice me muero, después yo ni te pensaba. Ay, cómo me quemas y luego me apagas la llama. En la barra juras que te quedas conmigo, esta vez sí voy a apostar. Suena otra canción, cambia de camino, ya vuelvo y ya te vi bailar con alguien más. Prometes la playa, café en la montaña, selfies, aventura total. Termina y mensajes que dejas colgando. Lo vi, lo borré, fue sin querer, no lo tomes personal.